Hey YouTube, today I'm going to show you how to change out your engine air filter in your 2018 Nissan Sentra. Okay, when you open the hood, this is the behind the battery. This is the air filter box housing, and this piece here, you just snap it out. It's on here. Snap this out. You can put, and this comes out. This is the air inlet. And there's a tab here, one here, one here. Just pull this, just release those tabs, pull this up straight up, and this is your air filter here. You just get your new one. This is a new one already. I'm just showing you how to do it, save you some money. Make sure you check on the air filter flow, the arrow, and put it back the same way. Okay, just put this back here. This side here goes down in the housing. Make sure it seats in good, like this. And then there's two tabs here. Make sure these tabs go in those notches there, or else it won't fit good. Okay, just slide this back in here. Just like this. Make sure it fits in those notches, and on the side also here, make sure this fits in. If it doesn't fit in properly and seals, it's gonna suck more air in and give the sensor inaccurate reading. Okay, so that looks good. Just snap this back, one here and one here. That's it. And just put back this the air inlet, like goes this way. This piece goes, this tab here goes in here, and make sure it seats in the bottom here, and this goes here, and just snap it in back. Might have to wiggle it a little to go back on. Okay, it's back on there. Just gotta push it forward so it goes on here, and that's it. Simple to do. You can do it yourself. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Share the video, leave any comments, subscribe to see more videos, and thanks for watching.